People are surprised that as a priest, I got product. But you know what? We are supposed to produce fruits of our spiritual life. And one of the ways that I've done it is by writing this book called Grace Before Meals, Recipes and Inspiration for Family Meals and Family Life, which is a book which you can get at perusiamedia.com. But guess what? We also have more product connected to the message of a book that's trying to bring back feast days to your dinner table. In fact, if you want to, you can not only see the talk with this DVD, you can hear the talk with this CD, and it's also available at perusiamedia.com, because God wants to affect all of our senses, not just what we read, but even what we hear and even what we see, and even these have recipes so that you can taste and see the goodness of the Lord. All available at perusiamedia.com.